Most people think personal loans are expensive or hard to get, but the surprising truth is that USA personal loans offer competitive rates and flexible terms, especially for military members and their families. Today, I'll share my honest review. USA provides unsecured personal loans with fixed interest rates, meaning your monthly payments are predictable. Most people get this wrong by assuming all lenders charge similar rates. Depending on your credit score and relationship with USA, rates can be lower than average. For example, members with good credit may qualify for rates under 10%, which is very competitive. The application process is simple. You can apply online, check rates without impacting your credit score, and get approval quickly. You won't believe what happens next. Funds can be deposited as soon as the next business day if approved, which is convenient for emergencies or planned expenses. Loan terms range from 12 to 60 months, giving flexibility in repayment. The surprising truth is that USA also provides financial counseling and resources to help borrowers avoid overextending themselves, which is unique compared to other lenders. The downsides include eligibility requirements. You must be a USA member, typically connected to military service. Fees are minimal, but missing payments can result in standard penalties. Overall, if you are eligible and need a straightforward, reliable personal loan, USA personal loans are worth considering. Subscribe for more honest loan reviews before you borrow money.